Welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you are new, hello, my name is BlancaEstela, and if you are not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a first impressions and review on lip glosses by Lorac. I've never tried lip glosses by them, so that's why I decided to do it today. I did buy one of their collections. It's their Alter Ego Gorgeous Gloss collection. This is what the packaging looks like. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys each lip gloss, swatch it on my hand, and then apply it to my lips just to see how it looks. So I'm going to start off by taking off my lipstick that I have on right now. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take them out of the box. I haven't really tried anything by Lorac before. This is probably like the first product by them. But these are the lip glosses right here. And from the packaging, they look pretty pigmented, but we'll see how pigmented they are because they are supposed to be lip glosses. So I don't expect them to be pigmented at all. So I'm going to take out one by one and then tell you guys what I think about them. Okay, so the first one is in the shade Muse. And it's this a pinky nudie shade right here. Looks really pretty. First I'm going to swatch it on my hand and then I'm going to put it on my lips. Fix this choker though. Ooh. Ooh, they smell pretty. The smell reminds me of Tarte for some reason. Wow. It looks really pigmented, but then when the more I swatch it, the more sheer it gets. But it is pretty pigmented. That's a pretty swatch right there. That is a really pretty shade. I love how this is looking on my skin tone. It is really pretty. So that's Muse right there. It is pretty comfortable. It doesn't feel too heavy and it doesn't feel sticky at all, which I really hate when lip glosses feel really sticky. But this one doesn't. So far so good on the first one. The second one is in the shade Beauty Queen, and it is a lighter nudie pink shade. Also really pretty. Swatch right there. There's also a really pretty shade, although it might be a little bit too nude and too pink for me, but you know, I can probably put on top of another lipstick and it'll look really pretty. It's really pretty, but I wouldn't wear it on its own. I just don't feel like it looks really good on my skin tone. I don't like the way it looks on my lips, so I'll probably put it on top of a lipstick. But it is a really pretty shade. The next one is another nudie pink one, but it's a little bit more like on the mauve side. This one is in the shade Duchess. Really cute. I think I have a lipstick that matches this, so it is a matte lipstick, so I guess if I wanted to look a little bit glossy, I'll probably put this on top of it, but I'm not sure where it is right now. That is the swatch right there. Really pretty as well. This shade actually matches my lips, so it's like I'm wearing a clear lip gloss. I'm not mad about it though. It is really pretty. The next one is another pinky one. This one's not too nude. This one is in the shade
Seductress. I don't know how to pronounce it.
But it's this color right here. Also really pretty. Give a little swatch. It's a little bit more darker than the one I just did. Really pretty. Don't mind my mouth. The foundation around is already coming off, but it's cool. Really, really pretty. It's a little bit more darker than my lips, which I'm not mad about either, but really pretty. The next one is a little bit more darker, a little bit more on the mauvey side as well. This one is in the shade CEO. Right here. Ooh, this is really pretty. That is the swatch right there. Really, really pretty. That is really pretty. I'm actually liking how it's looking with this eye look right now. So I might leave it on after I do all of them. Really, really pretty.
See how easy it is to take off lip glosses? So fucking easy.
3 more to go. Well, 2 with this one. This one is a really pink bright one. This one is in the shade
Coquette. Coquetty? Coquetty? It's this one right here. This one.
Okay. Ooh, this is really pretty. It looks really bright in the tube, but it's not that bright. Pretty wearable. It's really pretty, but I will not wear this on my own either. I will put it on top of another lipstick. The next one is a red one. It looks really pretty in the tube actually. And it's in the shade IIKONN. It kind of matches my nail color. But my nail's a little bit brighter than the tube one. Really pretty. I love red. But I've never tried a red lip gloss before. That is the swatch right there. That is a really pretty. I would probably put this on top of a red matte lipstick if I wanted it to make it glossy. It is really pretty. It does look pretty on its own as well too. Last one is a burgundy purpley one. It looks really pretty in the tube. This one is in the shade Dominatrix. This one right here. Really pretty. Well, this is really pigmented. Wow. Girl, look at that swatch. I'm excited to put it on my lips. Do you guys see that pigment? This is such a pretty lip gloss. I love this. So freaking pretty. I think I'm gonna leave this one on. It looks really pretty. My final thoughts. I love these lip glosses. They are really pigmented. Comfortable to wear, easy to apply. They're not heavy, they're not sticky. Girl, I do recommend these to you guys, and I'm gonna be wearing these more often. I've been trying to wear more glossy looks just because I do wear a lot of matte lipsticks and I like how the glossy lips look on me. So I'm pretty happy I bought this set, and I'm gonna be using them more often. But that is it, you guys, for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys end up buying these lip glosses, end up liking them as well, let me know. And yeah, if you guys know of any other Lorac, that's how you pronounce it, right? Lorac products that you want me to try out, let me know. If you recommend any products, let me know too. Haven't tried much of their products, but I do want to. But
it is pretty expensive, so you know. If you guys recommend something to me, I'll buy it. Because I trust you guys.
Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.